Are you ready to add a burst of sunshine to your garden with vibrant yellow cherry tomatoes? Look no further. In this friendly guide, we'll walk you through some tried and true tips for growing these delightful little fruits. With a little bit of care and attention, you'll soon be enjoying the sweet rewards of your very own yellow cherry tomato plant. The journey of growing yellow cherry tomatoes begins with nurturing them from tiny seeds. To get a head start, start your seeds indoors. Fill small containers or seedling trays with a good quality potting mix and plant your tomato seeds about 1 inch deep. Place them in a warm, sunny spot and keep the soil consistently moist. Once your seedlings are a few inches tall and have a couple of sets of true leaves, they're ready for the next step. For a thriving tomato plant, your choice of potting soil is crucial. Mix equal parts of potting soil and well-rotted manure, or you can also blend garden soil with compost. This nutrient-rich blend will provide your tomatoes with the essential nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Yellow cherry tomato plants are versatile and can thrive in various containers. If you're looking to recycle and repurpose, consider using old fruit baskets. Make sure these containers have good drainage to prevent waterlogging. This not only adds character to your garden, but also promotes sustainability. When it's time to transplant your seedlings outdoors, remember to remove the lower leaves of the seedlings. This encourages strong root development and prevents diseases. Be sure to water your transplants immediately after planting to help them settle into their new home. To ensure your yellow cherry tomato plants channel their energy into fruit production, remove suckers and lower leaves regularly. This allows for better air circulation and reduces the risk of disease. You'll be rewarded with a healthier plant and a more bountiful harvest. Yellow cherry tomato plants are voracious feeders. To promote vigorous growth and abundant fruiting, feed them with compost and liquid fertilizers made from weeds or compost tea. These natural, nutrient-rich options will keep your plants happy and productive throughout the season. Sometimes, tomato flowers need a little help with pollination. You can do this simply by gently tapping the flowers or by using a small paintbrush to transfer pollen from one flower to another. This ensures a higher fruit set and a more abundant harvest. As your tomato plants grow taller and heavier with fruit, they'll benefit from support. Bamboo trellises and twine are excellent options to keep your plants upright and prevent branches from breaking under the weight of their bounty. Proper support also allows for better air circulation, reducing the risk of disease. The most exciting part of growing yellow cherry tomatoes is the harvest. When the fruits are plump and yellow, gently twist them off the vine. They should come off easily with little effort. Enjoy the sweet, sun-kissed flavor of your homegrown yellow cherry tomatoes in salads, sauces, or just straight off the vine. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and tell your other garden-loving friends about it. And hey, do not forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and ideas. Thanks for joining us today, and happy gardening, everyone.